So what we learned from the last quiz is that when you have a negative exponent, you can rewrite whatever term you're dealing with so that we're instead dividing by that factor inside the term. So negative exponents are actually veiled ways of writing division into our terms. The way we know what we're dividing by is to find the factor with the negative exponent, which is just y to the negative 2 in this case, and we move it underneath the factors with the positive exponents to make it the denominator of the term. So on the right side of the equation, where we've moved it, it's now in the denominator. And we've also changed the power of the base to be positive instead of negative. So when we flip the sign of an exponent from negative to positive, or from positive to negative, we need to move the factor, or the base number that the exponent is applied to the opposite side of the fraction. If it's in the top, it needs to move to the bottom, and if it's in the bottom, it needs to move to the top. And we also flip the sign of the exponent. So here we changed from negative to positive. So basically, if we have some number, let's call it x, and it's taken to a negative power, let's say that's negative a, where a could be any number, or really any expression, then this is equal to 1 over x to the power of a. So again, when we multiply the exponent of a number by negative 1, we need to switch which part of the fraction the factor it belongs to is part of. I know that what's on the left side here doesn't look like a fraction, but this is actually secretly x to the negative a over 1. So anything that doesn't look like it's part of a fraction is actually in the numerator of a fraction, where the denominator is 1.